Next prediction is prediction number 4, right? So whenever there is a 0 on real axis and left side of that 0 if there are no poles or zeros on real axis, right? With entire section of real axis to the left side of that 0 as the part of root locus, then there exists some breakaway point to the left of that 0, right? तो आइए एक बार समझ लेते हैं. Whenever there is a 0 on the real axis, अगर real axis पे कभी भी एक 0 है and left side of that 0, उस 0 के left hand side पे अगर कोई भी pole और 0 on the real axis with entire section of real axis to the left side of that 0 as a part of root locus, तो उस केस में क्या होगा, then there exists a breakaway point to that left of that 0, right? So इसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. आइए देखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव GSHS is equal to K times S plus 2 divided by S into S plus 1, right? So we have poles at S equal to 0 and S equal to minus 1. So we have P is equal to 2, right? We have zeros at S is equal to minus 2, that's why Z would be equal to 1, right? So P minus Z would be 2 minus 1, that is 1, right? तो हमारे पास only one asymptote will be there, right? Now we will see that. Let us draw these points on the axis. So if this is x, this is x, this is y, so we have first pole at S is equal to 0, right? Second pole is at S is equal to minus 1 and 0 is at S is equal to minus 2, right? So let us start with this part. So if we take over here, right side is only one pole, that's why this part is on root locus. So this is on root locus. Now we will see over this point here on the right side of this we have two poles, that's why this is not root locus, right? फिर हम लोग अगर इस थर्ड पे देखें तो we will have three total number of poles and zeros, so this part is root locus, right? So now we will calculate the next thing, which is the breakaway point. So let us find out the breakaway point. So first we will construct 1 plus GSHS is equal to 0, right? So on solving this, 1 plus k times s plus 2 divided by s times s plus 1 is equal to 0, we will get s square plus s plus ks plus 2k is equal to 0. So k would be equal to minus s square minus s divided by s plus 2, right? Now next is we have to find out dk by ds, that would be equal to 0. So if we take the differentiation of this particular thing, we will get s plus 2 whole square s plus 2, that would be minus 2s minus 1 plus s square plus s times 1, that would be equal to 0. So when we put this equation to the 0, we will get minus s square minus 4s minus 2 is equal to 0. That's why s square plus 4s plus 2 is equal to 0, right? So if we take the factors of this, we will use the Sridharacharya Vidhi and we will find s is equal to as minus 2 plus minus under root 2, right? So what will happen, this would give us two values. तो पहली वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी minus 0.6 and the second value would be minus 3.4, right? So यहाँ पे एक चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है जो कि मैं आप लोगों को इंडिकेट करना चाहूंगा कि जब भी कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट की बात आती है, कि जब भी s की वैल्यूज हम लोगों को इस तरीके से मिलती हैं, तो उस केस में क्या होता है, हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, दिस वुड बी रिटन एज सेंटर प्लस माइनस रेडियस, राइट? तो वी विल सी अभी कि कैसे ये चीज मैं लिख रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ दिस ऑल द थिंग्स विच हम लोगों ने अभी अभी कैलकुलेट की हुई, राइट? सो वी हैव the values over here at s is equal to 0, right? This one is s is equal to minus 1 and the pole is at s is equal to minus 2, right? So we know that this part is root locus, this is root locus and this one is also the root locus, right? तो हमें पता है जब भी दो adjacent poles होते हैं तो उसके बीच में हमेशा एक break away point होता ही होता है, right? So there would be a one break away point that would be over here, और जो हमने अभी अभी values निकाली हैं break away point की, that were minus 0.6 and minus 3.4, right? तो first is minus 0.6 and next is minus 3.4. तो assume कर लेते हैं this one is minus 3.4, right? So हमें एक अपने फॉर्मूले से ये भी पता है कि दो एडजेसेंट पोल्स जब भी होते हैं तो उनके बीच में एक ब्रेकअवे पॉइंट होता है, जो कि हमने कैलकुलेट भी किया है. दैट मीन्स कि रूट लोकस कैसे बनेगा, यहां से लीव करेगा सिमिलरली डाउनवर्ड, राइट? एंड कहां पे जाएगा, दैट वुड बी ऑन द सेकेंड ब्रेकअवे, right? So the direction would be like this and this root locus branch will terminate at infinite because p minus z कितना है हमारा 1 है. That means number of branch that will terminate at infinity would be only 1. So this one will terminate at infinity and these two will terminate at the second breakaway point, which is at minus 3.4, right? So now we could see over here that if we see that this one is under root 2, right? So ये पूरा का पूरा root 2 की रेडियस में ही सर्किल ड्रॉ हुआ है. right? So the point is proved that the locus would be circle, right? सो सेंटर कहाँ पे हो जाएगा इसका? सेंटर वुड बी एट s इज इक्वल टू -2, तो ये पॉइंट क्या बन जाएगा? -2, 0। और रेडियस क्या हो गई इस पॉइंट से इसकी डिस्टेंस, दैट इज द √2। दैट्स वाई मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा था, that would be equal to center plus minus radius. So center would be -2 and radius would be at under √2, right? If you think that these videos are very useful for you in your preparation of NTA NET Electronic Science 2020, please subscribe my channel so that you will get all the subscribed videos as I upload them. Please like, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thanks for your time.